Influenza is a respiratory illness that affects more than 1 billion people worldwide each year. In Canada and the US alone, influenza epidemics are estimated to cost the economy $100 billion per year. What is the best solution to prevent such epidemics? Vaccines. Today's vaccines are proteins that have been produced using complex production systems such as yeast, bacteria, or eggs. Egg-based influenza vaccines have been manufactured the same way for over half a century. However, viruses now spread much more rapidly due to the high level of global travel, which has led to many new challenges in vaccine production. To meet these new challenges, there is a faster, cheaper, and better method: plants. Tobacco plants are capable of efficient protein production at high yields and low costs. Medicago's proprietary vaccine production system is called Proficia, and one of the principal advantages of our technology is speed. Influenza vaccine production can be initiated in less than 3 weeks from the identification of the genetic sequence of an influenza strain. Our manufacturing system, Proficia, generates virus-like particles, VLPs for short. VLPs are made to look like a virus, allowing them to be recognized readily by the body's immune system. They consist of lipid shells studded with short strands of the proteins specific to whatever disease the vaccine is intended to control. However, they lack the core genetic material of the real virus as shown here, making them non-infectious and unable to replicate. Welcome to Medicago. We operate a 14,000 square foot GMP compliant production facility and a 16,000 square foot research and development facility located in beautiful Quebec City, Canada. This facility includes a biosafety level 2 greenhouse, as well as an extraction and purification unit. Very few areas of the world have access to influenza vaccine production facilities such as ours. Our ability to rapidly and cost-efficiently deliver large quantities of vaccines has led to discussions with pharmaceutical companies and governments across the globe. Using our technology, we have produced a pipeline of vaccine candidates. We recently reported positive interim results for the first ever clinical evaluation of a plant-based influenza VLP vaccine, our phase 1 trial for our H5N1 vaccine candidate. We will initiate our phase 2 trial this year with results expected at the end of 2010. We will also be developing a seasonal and an H1N1 pandemic vaccine. In parallel with our clinical development, we continue to carry on many discussions for commercial agreements with potential pharmaceutical partners. At Medicago, we are focused on developing highly effective and affordable vaccines for a rapidly changing and interconnected world. At Medicago, we are growing our plants, our pipeline, and our possibilities.